Upcycling is a fun way to turn something old into something new again year-round. And today I'm going to show you an easy way that you can upcycle things that you have at home by adding lace and trim to them. I'm really excited to try out Aleene's OK to Wash It. It's non-toxic, washable, dries clear, won't yellow over time, and it's got a flexible hold. All awesome things when you are working with something as delicate as lace. So for today's project, we're gonna add lace to an apron, a placemat, and a gift bag that could be perfect for a bridal or baby shower. So to get started, all we need is a variety of lace. So I'm using a few different lace ribbon trims, as well as some ribbon and some sheets of lace, scissors, and of course, our Aleene's OK to Wash It. Let's start making. From old to new, we just took 3 items that I had at home and used Aleene's OK to Wash It and added trim and lace. The best part about it is, remember, it dries clear, it's flexible, and it will never yellow over time. So you want to make sure that you pre-wash all of your fabrics. Don't use fabric softener. When you are using the glue, make sure you let it set for about 3 to 5 minutes, press it together, let it fully dry for 24 hours, and then after 7 days, you can wash it. Turn your fabric inside out, wash it on the gentle cycle. And ta-da, you have some brand new upcycled projects. Make sure that you check out Aleene's on social and their blog for more great ideas of how you can use OK to Wash It plus their other great adhesives. And of course, follow Craftbox Girls for more great DIY handmade projects. Bye guys!